show you how to create a self-plan case in uDesign Cloud. Once logged into uDesign Cloud, you'll notice there's an Add Patient button off to the right. You can single left click on Add New Patient. Now you're going to enter in the patient's first name, last name, date of birth, and then you can assign it to somebody within the practice, either the doctor or one of the team members. Down below, you can also add in any notes that you wish to add in related to this patient. Once you're ready, click on Add Patient. Now you're going to choose Self-Plan Case. You'll now be brought to the screen to upload your scans. You can either click to upload each scan or you can drag and drop them to the appropriate spot. I'm going to go ahead and drag and drop my scans. To the right of the scans, you'll notice that you have a preview. You can move the model around by holding the right mouse button down and moving the model to confirm this is the proper scan for this patient. Once you confirm everything looks correct, you can click on Next. If needed, you can replace the scans by selecting the X in the right corner of each of the upper and lower scans, and then repeat the steps to either drag and drop the scans or click to upload. Again, once ready, click on Next. The next screen will allow you to upload photos and x-rays. Keep in mind, with self-plan cases, photos and x-rays are not required. So you can either drag and drop to upload them, or you can just click Next to go to the next step. Once you click Next, the software will begin preparing the case for self-planning. This could take up to 3 minutes. You can certainly wait for the case to reload automatically when it's ready, or you can close the case and come back at a later time to begin treatment planning the case. The case is now ready to be treatment planned. If you notice that anything is incorrect or needs to be changed, you can certainly click on the wrench off to the right, allowing you to re-identify the teeth by going to segmentation to recolor the teeth if anything needs to be corrected. You can relabel the teeth if they're labeled incorrectly. You can correct the patient's bite. You can also add additional space if it's not recognized within the scan. And you can adjust the orientation of the model. In addition, you have the ability to remove artifacts, scanned attachments, buttons, or any brackets on the teeth by selecting the model surface. If everything looks good, you can begin treatment planning the case.